Hi everyone. So I was trying to. My name is Gopal. I was trying to um, create a Python script, um, but this particular server, this is a very unique thing. So, but I think this is pretty common in every other places I've seen. I've worked in a production environment where your stage or your production doesn't have internet access directly. So even if you wanted to install your RPMs, you just have to download the RPMs and then install. I think this server does response to um, your your yum commands to install your RPMs for some reason. If you wanted to install a particular module, say for example, you have a Python and you want to install pandas or NumPy, or for example, I'm writing a Python script for IBM DB2. So if you wanted to install a module called IBM underscore DB, you have to download and have to install that. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to install these IBM. There's a Python package called IBM underscore DB. So how I'm going to install this manually is what I'm trying to do. So I have a Python. So Python -v. This is a previous version, and I also have 3.6 been installed. How I install 3.6 is yum install Python 3. If you hit, so you probably, this is CentOS. So this is how you install your Python 3. So I do have Python. So which Python 3.6. So I have 3.6. So I'm going to install package. I'm going to use Python 3.6 for this development. So, and I also have to install Python development. It's called as Python 3 called dev l is the another RPM that has to be get involved, has to be installed for this project. Right, let me come to the point. So here what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna install the uname -r for information. So Python, what I'm trying to, let me demonstrate Python 3.6. So import OS, okay, import sys, okay, import IBM underscore DB. Okay, so now you see there's no module called IBM underscore DB, and you also don't see pandas, right? So there's no pandas, there's no NumPy. So we are going to focus only on this IBM underscore DB. And for some reason, if you wanted to install on the internet machine, you can very well do a pip3 install and then say IBM underscore DB. If you do that, if your server does have an internet connectivity, you probably be going to get installed. If you are having a CentOS, this is the command. If you are Ubuntu or if you are anything other than CentOS, I think I'm not good with the other flavor of Linux, but this is the command you just gonna install the module. But for some reason you don't have an internet connectivity directly from for this one. This is the way that I find. There might be other way to do it, but this is how I did that. So you have to install, I will give the package. Alright, let me find the package. Wow, I think I'm gonna last. So there is a package that has to be downloaded. So I'll tell you the package, and I will give the actual link to download it. So this is the package, that is the actual package, and this is another package that needs to be get installed along with this package. So what I'm gonna do is untar this package, and I'm gonna copy this package into this package. So what I'm gonna do is tar-zxvf. Alright, you will see IBM DB 3.0, and you're gonna copy this CP into this, right, CD into this, and you have to untar this as well, tar-zxvf, and you will see a CLI driver. This is what we have got from this untarring this file. I'm going to delete that tar-z file. We don't need that anymore. So you have to go back as a root user and cd opt db2 instrument is where my directory is, and this is what the setup.py is, the script that I need to run. Please ensure that you have the CLI driver inside this package, inside this untar file. So once you did that, so what you have to do is you have to run Python 3.6 setup.py and then run install. That's it. Hit enter, and this should install your IBM_DB. We wanted to create. Awesome. These are our good signs. Nice. So these are our good signs. So it got installed. If you hit, for some reason, if you hit a GCC error, here, so what you might need to do is you need to install RPM. That is, you need to install, this is what I did. I did yum install. I did Python 3-double. So once you did this, you have another 7 packages that needs to be get involved. And if I enter, it will say that it's been matched. There's already been there. So this is the package that needs to be get installed before you run this. Ensure that you have this dependent packages. So now what you're going to test is whether I can able to run that import IBM_DB. So let's test that. Python 3.6, and now I'm going to do import OS. Awesome. I'm going to do import sys. Awesome. I'm going to do import IBM_DB. All right. Okay. This is not actually an error. I am a root user, so that might be the reason why it is not flowing. There's also a way to do this. You have to locate your profiles. So let me log in as a DB2 user. Who am I? I'm a DB2 user. So now I'll do Python 3.6. Now import OS, import sys, and then you do import IBM underscore DB. There you go. So we got this IBM DB got installed, so you pretty much use that in your script now, and you can work on this. So I also want to give you guys a link to to download this package. This package, you can download it. These two packages you can download. I will give the link to download this package. All right, thank you. See you next video.